Imagine the thrill of skiing down pristine, snow-covered slopes, the sun glinting off freshly groomed trails. Welcome to the world of luxury ski resorts, where every moment is a fusion of adventure, relaxation, and indulgence. These are no ordinary winter retreats. They are havens for those who seek the thrill of conquering magnificent slopes one minute and the serenity of a world-class spa the next. Each resort is a testament to the art of living well, offering not only top-notch skiing conditions, but also a range of luxury amenities that cater to your every whim and fancy. But what truly sets these resorts apart is their breathtaking surroundings. Picture majestic mountains, sparkling lakes, and ancient forests that make every moment feel like a scene from a winter fairy tale. Each resort is a world unto itself, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and man-made luxury. Join us as we explore the top luxury ski resorts around the world. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the enchanting Aspen Snowmass in Colorado, USA. Nestled in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, this resort is a snow-capped paradise, boasting over 90 runs that cater to skiers of all levels. The most popular slopes? The Big Burn for its panoramic views and the Hanging Valley Wall for the thrill seekers among us. But Aspen Snowmass is not just about the skiing. It's a beacon of luxury that shines brightly amidst the snowy peaks. From the opulent lodges that dot the mountainside to the gourmet dining experiences that await you at the base, every aspect of this resort screams high-end. Imagine indulging in a 5-course meal after a long day on the slopes, with the backdrop of the mountains bathed in the soft glow of the setting sun. And for those who like to mix things up, there's more than just skiing on offer. Try your hand at snowboarding, embark on a snowshoeing adventure, or immerse yourself in the vibrant après-ski scene. With live music, bustling bars, and a myriad of events throughout the season, there's never a dull moment at Aspen Snowmass. Aspen Snowmass truly offers an unforgettable luxury ski experience. Coming in at number 4, we're whisked away to the Swiss Alps to the iconic Zermatt Resort. Nestled in the heart of Switzerland, Zermatt is a snow-capped wonderland that boasts over 300 kilometers of ski runs. Its most popular slopes? The Gornergrat and the Matterhorn Glacier, both offering a thrilling blend of adventure and breathtaking views. But Zermatt is more than just a ski resort. It's an epitome of luxury. Picture this: lavish chalets with roaring fires, private spas, and panoramic mountain views. Dining isn't just a meal, it's an experience. With multiple Michelin-starred restaurants, your taste buds are in for a culinary journey that's as impressive as the surrounding peaks. And when you're not skiing down the slopes or indulging in gourmet delights, there's a host of other activities to enjoy. Glide around an ice skating rink under a starlit sky, or hit the snowboarding parks for some adrenaline-pumping action. And let's not forget the après-ski activities. From cozy bars to chic nightclubs, the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Zermatt Resort is a dream come true for those seeking a luxury alpine escape. Taking the third spot on our list is the illustrious Courchevel in the French Alps. Nestled in the heart of this majestic mountain range, Courchevel boasts an impressive 150 runs, with options for every level of skier. It's not just the quantity, but the quality of the slopes that sets Courchevel apart. The resort's most popular slopes, such as the Grand Couloir and the Suisses, are renowned for their perfectly groomed pistes and breathtaking alpine vistas. But Courchevel isn't simply about skiing or snowboarding. This resort is a treasure trove of luxury, offering a host of high-end experiences. From designer boutiques such as Chanel and Prada that line the streets, to world-class spa facilities where you can unwind after a day on the slopes, Courchevel is a haven for the luxury seeker. And the opulence doesn't stop there. Courchevel also offers a range of thrilling activities for the adventurous at heart. Perhaps you'd fancy a ride on a snowmobile, a breathtaking hot air balloon ride over the snow-capped peaks, or indulging in the vibrant après-ski scene with a glass of champagne in hand. Courchevel is a jewel in the crown of luxury ski resorts. Finally, we arrive at the pinnacle of luxury ski resorts, the top 2 spots. Our journey takes us first to the snowy peaks of Switzerland, where the legendary St. Moritz resides. Nestled in the heart of the Swiss Alps, St. Moritz is known for its 250 kilometers of ski runs, offering a diverse range of trails for both the novice and seasoned skier. Noteworthy among these is the Corviglia Run, famed for its panoramic vistas and challenging terrain. But St. Moritz isn't all about the slopes. This resort is an epitome of luxury, boasting facilities worthy of an Olympic event. A day of skiing can be followed by a gourmet dinner in one of its Michelin-starred restaurants, where culinary excellence meets alpine charm. From the ski chalets to the opulent hotels, every corner of St. Moritz exudes elegance and sophistication. We now move from the Swiss Alps to the majestic coast mountains of British Columbia, Canada, where Whistler Blackcomb, the jewel in the crown of luxury ski resorts, is situated. With over 8,000 acres of skiable terrain and more than 200 runs, Whistler Blackcomb is a paradise for ski enthusiasts. The peak-to-peak gondola ride is a must-do, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Whistler Blackcomb is more than just a ski resort. It's a haven of luxury. World-class ski facilities are complemented by award-winning restaurants that serve exquisite cuisine, from locally sourced seafood to international delicacies. The resort also features top-notch spas where you can unwind after a day on the slopes, indulging in treatments that rejuvenate mind, body, and spirit. These resorts, St. Moritz and Whistler Blackcomb, are more than just destinations. They are experiences, offering a unique blend of adrenaline-filled adventure and luxurious relaxation. They truly represent the pinnacle of luxury ski experiences, leaving unforgettable impressions and beckoning you back for more.